Good evening, class 6. Let's continue with the worksheet. Sum number 11. Simplify. 11 subpart 1. 1 by 6 of 3 by 7. Division 2 4 by 5 into 5 3 by 5 plus 3 4 by 5 division 7 9 by 15. So first of all, I am converting the mixed fractions to proper fractions. So here 7 by 6 of represents multiplication. Here it will be how much? It will be your division sign. 2 5s are 10, 14 by 5 into 25, 28 by 5 plus 15, 19 by 5 division 105, 105, 114 by 15. Okay. Now I am changing the division sign to multiplication. 5 by 14 into 28 by 5 plus into 15 by 114. Okay, so 3 2s are 7, 7 gets cancelled, 5 5 gets cancelled, 14 2s are 28, 2 2 gets cancelled. So this side we have 1 plus 5 3s are 15 and 19 6 are 3 2s are, so 1 plus half, that's equals to 3 by 2 or 1 and half. So this is the answer of 11 subpart 1. Next, 11 subpart 2. The question, this one, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, 2 plus half. So first I'll start the sum from the bottom. That means 2 minus this one. I'll be taking the LCM. LCM is 2. 4 plus 1. Next step. 2 minus 1. 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 by 2. Next step. Next step is this one. Okay. 2 minus this part. So 1 by 1 into 2 by 5. So 2 minus 2 by 5 we are getting. Now we are going to take the LCM again. So 5 to 10 minus 2. So this one will be 1 by 8 by 5. Again same thing, if I change the division sign to multiplication sign, then what can we write? 2 plus 5 by 8. This one. Okay, next, in the next step, again we take the LCM over here. 8 is the LCM. 16 plus 5. 21 by 8. So here also 8 by 21 again. If I change the division sign to multiplication sign, again I take the LCM. It's 21. 21 into 2, it's 42. 42 minus 8. So 42 minus 8 is how much? 44. 9, 10, 11. 42 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 34. Sorry. 1 by 34 by 21, or I can write 21 by 34. This is the answer of 11 sub part 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Next, 11 sub part 3. Sub part 3, same pattern. We'll start from the bottom again. We're going to take the LCM. Next step. By 8. If I change the division sign to multiplication, then what can I write? 8 by 15. Next step, again we take the LCM. (15, 30 minus 8). It's 22 by 15, right? If I change the division sign to multiplication, what do I get? 15 by 22. Again I take the LCM. So 22, this is 66 minus 15. Next step, 66 minus 15 is how much? It will be 51. 51, right? So 22, 66, 15. So 51, wait, 1 by 51 by 22. So answer is 22 by 51 if I change the division sign to multiplication sign. Okay. So these are the following questions under 11. Next, we move to the next question. That is sum number 12. The question is, a certain number is added with 5 by 8 and the sum is divided by 15. Result is 5 by 24. Find the original number. So here we take the number, the number which is added. Let the number be x. Let the number added be x. So as per the question I can write x plus 5 by 8 divided by 15. Answer is, the result is 5 by 24. Okay, we take the LCM. 8x plus 5, 15, 5 by 24, 8, 6 by 5. So 8 into 15 equals to 5 by 24. Next, the next step, what can I write? So here 24, 8x plus 5 equals to 5 into 8 into 15, or 8x plus 5 equals to 5 into 8 into 15 by 24. 8 3s are 24 and 3 5s are 50. So I can write 8x equals to 5x is 25 minus 5. So 8x equals to 20. X equals to 20 by 8. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8. So x equals to your 5 by 2. Okay. So the number added is 5 by 2. So that's it, class 6. Thank you.